Hi friends, welcome to Penos.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Uniball UB157 violet color rollerball pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a plastic body. It is a Uniball eye fine tipped rollerball pen. Let me open this. It has a grey color cap and a silver clip, and the inner color, you can find the inner color in the top portion of this cap itself. If it is red, it will be in the red color. If it is a violet one, this is a violet color plastic finish one. And let me open this. This has a very good feeder portion and a very smooth tip one, and this is not a refillable one. In Uniball we are having refillable one also, and let me show you the writing sample. A very awesome feeling and awesome writing. If one practice to write with Uniball, they won't change to any other brand's pen. And the brand's name Uni and the make name Japan is mentioned in the cap. And here it is given as a ml. This is a ink, a transparent portion here, and you can find a window. Yeah, you can find the ink's level when it is coming down. You can find it in the level, and yeah, and also the color is mentioned here, violet. If it is another color, it will be in that name. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.